king that day. When the music played, they wouldn't bow or sway. The crowd knelt down, but they stood tall, saying, "Our God is able, He'll save us all." Thrown in the flames, but they didn't cry. The heat rose up, but the fire passed by. The king looked in, then he gasped again. "I see 4 men walking, not 3 as dead." He's still in the fire. He's still in the fire. He's still in the flame. Walking through the storm when you call His name. When the world says burn, He says stand again. He's the God who delivers from the lion and the flame. He's still in the fire, and He's still the same. Yesterday, forever, Jesus reigns. The lion's den. Daniel prayed when they said, "Don't you dare." 3 times a day he still knelt in prayer. They threw him down where the lions fed, but the angel of the Lord shut every mouth instead. The king came running at break of dawn. "Daniel, are you safe? Has your God gone?" And from the darkness came a faithful sound. "My God has sent His angel. I'm safe and